And so today we're working on an Amana top and bottom refrigerator. And so they have the old style plugs here, and I just put this on. Actually should be grounded correctly, but it isn't at this point. So they were running a long extension cord, and the refrigerator is right there. So and they're running several things off the extension cord, which makes the compressor fight for the correct power it needs. And so basically it toasted the relay. And so usually the relay, when you hear it kind of jiggle inside like that, then that means it's bad. So what we did is we put a power start relay on it, pull off the old wires and hook the wires up accordingly to this diagram here. And so basically black wire goes to the common on the compressor. Over here on this side you can see black wires in the center. It's kind of hard to see actually. Red wires on the right side and the white wires on the left. And so red is run, black is common in the center, and then the one on the left would be the start capacitor. And then I marked the wires the way they came off the old relay. So this may bring her back to life. We'll just give it a try and see what happens. Cross your fingers. Looks good at this point. So normally when these relays go bad, they'll click on and off. And it's actually a sign of the compressor high hours in my book. So that's your refrigerator tip for today. Thanks.